Just wandering the streets of Ostuni, coming across little churches and cathedrals and cute little alleys. How cool is that, Rich? So Lecce has some Rome and Florence influence.
Yeah.
We're Rich and Robin. We're exploring Italy from Florence to the heel of the boot. Follow along on our adventures in and out of our midlife van. After exploring the charming town of Alberello, we headed further south in Italy. We had a lovely rainy evening in our truly
Stormy.
outside of Sistinero, where we got some supplies for another dinner and Uno.
Ooh, no.
The rain has let up and we're headed to Lecce.
South.
South. Let's go south. We are in Ostuni.
Or Stone?
Ostuni.
Stony. I think it's Stone.
Little gray day, but
It's not raining at the moment.
yeah. This is where Rich was trying to take us to park through the tunnel.
So it's what?
And we are only 2.7 meters,
Probably about 6 feet high.
but we'll make it, just our bodies, if we can get through traffic. And out in the distance is the Adriatic Sea. Headed to Centro Storico? Central Storico of Ostuni. Ostuni is a truly unique town that offers a taste of authentic Italy. From its winding streets and beautiful cathedrals to the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean Oceans, Ostuni has something for everyone. Like an atrium upstairs. Another church in Ostuni.
E crema.
And then chocolate.
Pistacchio e crema. Crema sherry.
No, no chocolate.
No, chocolate.
Chocolate.
And then
Strudel.
Strudel.
apple strudel.
Strudel.
Sì. Grazie.
Rich, you got this one?
Got it.
Okay. Coca-Cola, giusto?
Sì.
Grazie. E pasticcione.
Come si dice il caffè?
Airoldi. Airoldi.
We just got some more great pastries in front of the city center in Estonia.
What you got there, Robin?
It's a little cake. I can't say the name of it. It starts with a P. It's a very long name. It has crema and chocolate, and it's very good. I tried to share with Rich, and I dropped it right into his hand. So
So
it's
you did
very
share.
flaky. It's very
Crumbly?
crumbly, but good. Pistachio.
Green.
Mine tastes a little
Apple strudel.
apple strudel, and
Very good.
I got cream.
my chocolate tastes a little lemony. The cake part. Like a lemon chocolate. It's good.
You want to buy a place?
Yeah. Ostuni, Italy is a town located on the Mediterranean coast. The historic center is a maze of narrow, winding streets painted white to reflect the sunlight. As we wandered through the streets, we came across charming cafes, quaint boutiques, street vendors selling crafts and souvenirs. Just wandering the streets of Ostuni, coming across little churches and cathedrals and cute little alleys. Look at that tree.
I know. They're like little bonds.
What's that?
Let's see if we can find the front of this. One of the most iconic landmarks in Ostuni is the Cathedral of Santa Maria. This stunning cathedral was built in the 15th century and features intricate Baroque style architecture. Lots of balloons, Donna.
I know.
Because they make people happy. We had a great time wandering around Ostuni, doing a little shopping. Now we're heading on to Lecce.
15 minutes till parking.
We got 7 minutes of walking to get there in 15 minutes. Can we do it?
I think we can. We've got this.
Door though. Slip. Water. Do you want to fill up your water?
I'm on my way out. Everything else.
It's like
Wood.
Canoe.
Wood.
It's a canoe with people in it.
It's a canoe. Okay.
definitely different, huh? In the van. We had a great parking spot. Cost us 1.8 euros. And close to old part of Ostuni. Got here before it got too crowded. Once again, perfect timing before the crowds. It's a good time to be in Ostuni. Guys, where are we headed?
Lecce.
Lecce.
Not lychee.
Not Lecce.
Did we find a big enough road for our travels?
Ain't no thing.
You're on this one for 900 meters.
And And where are we spending 50 cents for parking?
Lecce.
Not happy with our parking situation, so Dave's gonna navigate it a little more over.
I want you to go this way a little bit. Now he's good. Now you're good. Keep coming. I can't see him on the other side.
Keep coming, just go straight back
Yeah, keep coming.
till you hit the curb. You're almost there.
I'm looking for the pole.
Yes. There you go. That's it. So close. So close. At Lecce, and we're going to head to Centro Storico. Historic Center.
I think we're near the university.
Yeah, we think we're near the university. University kids everywhere. Even trying to help us to show us where the parking meter was right in front of us, and then tell us that we had to put money in it.
And then I asked her, what about using the app? You'd think the young kids would know about that. She goes, oh, we don't know.
We don't know about app, but Rich found it on the app. And what app is that you're using? That
Park easy, because it's easy to park.
it has been easy to use the app.
Yeah. 53 cents.
There are a lot of cactus in this region of Italy. This is a pretty narrow street. I don't think I'd like to drive on the street, even in a tiny car. Lecce is known as the Florence of the South, with its architecture, history, art, and cuisine. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Everyone just passes a corner and goes, ooh. This area is under surveillance. I better be careful not cross any chains. What else do you say here but wow, 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 wow. Everyone turns a corner and says, wow. Nice little terrace up there. Not a bad place to spend the day. Whoa! Oh, it's sunny and it's raining. As we walked around Lecce, we stumbled upon one of the most famous papier-mâché storefronts. Tea weather, Donna.
It really is.
What kind of flavor is it?
It's English breakfast.
Coke and tea
Look at that.
and beer. And another sandwich. She just heated it.
Yes.
And
And how is it?
I'm very good. Very good. After a pretty heavy rainfall, we ducked in and had some drinks and a little snack, and now we're back at it in Lecce. And this is some of the original road?
Yeah.
So there's a garden underground.
Roman oil.
It's hard to see, but there's ferns and other plants down there.
Yeah, Jurassic Park.
You can barely see them, especially probably in the rain. Yeah, there are some ruins also. But it's just hard to see with the rain and... The Roman amphitheater. The Roman amphitheater is one of the most prominent landmarks in Lecce, still standing after 2,000 years. The Roman amphitheater. Did you think they had some animals down here for gladiator battles? And look at the newer arch, or whatever that is, towery arch thing. (7 to 8 BC?
Yeah, well, that sign where we saw the road.
How cool is that, Rich? So Lecce has some Rome and Florence influence.
Yeah.
Oh, they cut it, yeah, and they're hanging it.
And
They
they're
love
drying
their
it.
they love their hanging cactus.
They put some lavender on it.
Yeah.
And here they have flower, or this is
Lights,
an olive
yeah.
tree, and it's all lit up.
This is our shortcut across town? I think so. We are going to a town, right? We were in town. Who picks these places?
Alright, well,
I think we're
you're gonna get
veering
this way.
right.
You're gonna have veer right. Just
stay on
something
the
more
bike
narrow.
path.
Oh, somebody's coming at us. They're stopping. They're stopping. Let them back up. Yeah. He should have snuck into that.
I think we can go around there.
Yeah.
I think we can.
I think we can. I think we can. I think we can. They're looking at us like, what are you doing on this road? Your school said to do it. Subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. Join us next time as we explore further south, discovering some of the hidden gems of southern Italy.